So we are back for the second fixture for Matchday 4, where we are going to have Arctic Wolves FC coming up against Forever Young FC. So the match official for today is Zoko Michael, assisted on line 1 by Owusu Sylvester Darko and Chikono Ijoma online 2, and the fourth official is Steven Kwachi, and match commissioner is BC Stella. So for active for Francis Yeboah, Sare Kamado, Geoffrey Emanase, Mesha Kanim, Ernest Boamah, James Donko, Ebenezer Arnold, Tebi Intim, Patrick Adu, Stephen Kujo, and Amidu Kabori. For Forever Young FC, we have Godwin Mano, Kensford Afo, Roland Ayamba, Bernard Nkibo Siakon, Michael Dukeno, Richard Amwa, Francis Nkrumah, Maclean Zamisi, Maxwell Mbakawa, Faki Mohammed, and John Freeman, Prince McAfee Bankers, and Emmanuel Alato, Ebenezer Arnold, Tebi Intim, Patrick. Also, the whistle is told for a start of a fixture involving two sides who are battling it all out for the maximum point at stake as we draw closer to the penultimate fixture. Poor communication here for Alato. Chance to shoot. Yes, it has it. Who meted out their only defeat of this campaign to them, or has been lofted in a very good, gracious opportunity. And it's Boamah. First 10 minutes of play, no go to either side, but we've witnessed some decent play. It's a beautiful finish. What a finish there from Ernest Boamah, and surprisingly, Arctic Wolves FC will take the lead. Ernest Boamah will put Arctic Wolves FC ahead by a goal to 0. Siakon, Freeman, good 10. Wonderful one here for Kawa, looking for the best of spaces. And here comes Kingsford Afo, the captain of the side, who sends in across looking for Kawa. Again, no one there to complement the efforts of the captain. And a great chance opportunity here again for a counter-attacking play from Stephen Kujo, who buys down, finds support here from Mesha Kanim, moves away from one. A great opportunity for a second. And Ernest Boamah will make it 2 here for Forever Young FC. It's Arctic Wolves FC rather 2, Forever Young FC 0. And we are likely to get a repeat of what happened in the opening fixture against Darko Royals that was giving so much pressure to Darko Royals. Arctic Wolves FC 2. Forever Young FC now. Anim goes closer. Anim away from one. Anim. And that was quite feeble there from the attacker. Kroma, beautiful play. What a way to switch here to the left hand side here for an opportunity to shoot. Yes, he does. An excellent save there from Good play here from Freeman. No chance to go further. Freeman. Posiakon. Sensing a very good ball. A great opportunity for a cross. Oh, so he goes for power. Ball comes in. A chance. So simply an easy grab there from Francis Yeboah. Also the whistle is on. Has been delivered, good opportunity. Ball comes in, look at the center one, a chance. Oh, beautifully finished effort! What a finish! Great goal by our standard. And Forever Young FC are back in this game. What a finish there from Maclean Ejamesi. Dasebre scores one of the best goals in the competition. Opportunity. Certainly it's going to be a penalty here for it's Isaac and him versus Favor Manuel. Good finish, and Isaac will make it 3 here for Arctic Wolves FC. Good lifting here for Meshakanim. A chance to hit there from that angle. Very good position. A chance for a game for the 4th goal this season or for this game. Great opportunity. And again, he's up to that task. Good touch there from Samasi. Decent. Good touch. An excellent opportunity. Oh, what a miss there. Heading this one here is Meshakani. Great opportunity for the 4th goal. And it's clearly. Oh, what a way to stop that. Good switch here for Tekeno. A hit. And certainly, yes, it will be a penalty. Certainly be a penalty for Young FC. Beautifully finished effort there from Kofi Freeman. And it's certainly going to be 3-2 here. And it's 3-2 for Arctic Wolves FC with just 4 minutes more. We've done 88 minutes, 2 minutes more plus potential added minutes of play. What a safety from the goalkeeper. Oh, beautiful. Oh, what a wasted opportunity. Goes for the end of what has been an exciting